Hi everyone, today we're going to make Mediterranean flounder. It's a really tasty, easy one-pot dish, and I think you're going to enjoy it. Now, you don't have to use flounder if you don't want to. Any kind of skinless, boneless, white fillet will work for this, but I find that flounder has a nice mild flavor, and you know, it's usually on sale at the supermarket, so that's what I'm going with today. So come on, let me show you how we're going to make it.
I'm using these pretty little heirloom grape tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomatoes you like, just chop them up. I'm going to slice the small ones in half and cut the larger ones into quarters. You want to have about 2 cups. This is about a pound of flounder. Figure 2 fillets per person, and then I cut them in half. To the chopped tomatoes, I'm adding half of an onion chopped, about 10 olives pitted and chopped, and 2 garlic cloves minced. For spices, I have salt, pepper, and dried oregano. I'm adding a tablespoon of chopped cherry peppers for a little heat. This part is optional. And finally, I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then just give everything a good toss. I put a light coating of olive oil in this baking dish and arrange the flounder in a single layer. Pour the tomato mixture over top, arrange it so that the flounder is evenly coated. Cover the dish with foil, poke in a few holes for it to vent, and bake at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how thick your fillets are. Then give it another 5 minutes without the cover. And here's what it looks like. I serve this with mashed potatoes, peas, and garlic bread. Yummy.
Wasn't that simple and easy, and it comes out so delicious. I hope you try it for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you soon. Bye.